Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So crash 1000, you can see about to show you guys the strategy that I've been using. Okay, let me first of all just delete the strategy so that I'll start from the beginning and show you guys how to set the strategy, okay, the indicators properly, and so as to make good money. All right, so you're welcome to my channel. It's your best mentor FX major. So about to show you guys the strategy that I've been using most nights to trade. You can see what's the time now. This 9:42. So use this strategy at night to be catching spikes, okay, on boom and crash. All right, so the strategy is for boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. Okay, so with this strategy you can be making some profits at night. Okay, you just don't have to be very greedy. You just need to risk very small, and the spike comes, you make your money. If you can catch like 10 spikes every night, you're doing fine. Trust me, you're doing way better. Okay, so yeah, so this strategy, like I said, you use 1 minute time frame. You use 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy. All right, you don't have to go to a higher time frame. So you catch spike with this strategy. When you catch a spike, just know how much you're willing to lose. And something happened to me last week. I'll talk to you about this, okay, in the middle of this video. So you need to watch this video to the very end to get to know what happened to me. Something really bad happened to me when I was trying to catch spike. I'll talk to you about it. It's so embarrassing. Okay, so I want you guys to watch the video to the end and also learn from my mistake. I want you guys to learn from my mistake because this is something I never expected. Okay, market is crazy. I'll tell you something. What happened to me last week on boom. That was boom 1000. Okay, I'll tell you guys what happened last week on boom 1000 when I was trying to catch spikes on boom 1000. Okay, so yeah, this is crash 1000. I will show you guys the settings for this strategy. It's very simple. So before we start with showing you guys the settings, please just show me some love, encourage me to do more of this by smashing the like button. Subscribe to this channel if you find my video helpful. Subscribe to this channel, drop some good comments, check the description of this video, all right, to join the free Telegram channel. You can chat me up. My link, my WhatsApp, my Telegram link is right there. You can chat me up, okay? You can chat me up. And for those that are asking for mentorship, classes start in classes start February. On 3rd February, we start the February batch, okay? So if you want to learn how to analyze the markets, price action, I'm talking about price action, I'll be there to teach you guys. We record everything on the class on the Zoom, okay? So you need to have good network. All you need is just good network. You join our class, right, via Zoom, and you learn from us and start making money for yourself. All right, as simple as that. All right, so just check this description of this video to join the free Telegram channel, and also to chat me off to enroll. If you want to enroll for the classes, you chat me up. Let me tell you what to do. I've created a group already. It's just $60. All right, just $60. With $60, you can turn things around. You can change your trading career. And trust me, once you are here, once you join my academy, you can never go back to looking for any other platform to start learning how to to trade and be successful. I'm not joking. I can show you some proof if you want. Okay, as you can see here, we have so many like this. My students, mentorship did not go in vain. My mentorship did not go in vain. I saw that bullish pin bar. That is why I held it since I didn't hit SL, right? You can see this is my student. She has been making so much money. You can see from $20. She likes dropping her accounts to $20. She withdraw everything, drop the accounts to $20. She made $20 to about $300. She withdrew and she made some withdrawals and funded, left only $20. You can see only one signal that I gave. Okay, she figured this out and she made over $80. All right, and she even sold it much later. So I have students that are killing the market. They're killing the markets. Good testimonies everywhere. All right, good testimonies, guys. I have the best students. I have the best students. And my VIPs scene now is killing too. These also my students here. All right, we're the best, guys. We're the best, guys. All right, so we have so many of them, so many testimonies. When you come to my channel, just check the pin. This is my student as well. Thanks, boss. I really appreciate you always stepping in to share your forex knowledge with me, and I'm really impacted with like you just join our platform. They are doing great stuff. So this is my class, and I showed them everything I'm doing. So if you join the platform, it's just $60 to make money, start making money for yourself. Trust me, it's just $60 and you're rich. Everything changed, everything turned around for you. Make withdrawals, like you can see my students are withdrawing. My VIP members, they are making withdrawals every day. So it's just $60 to learn price action with us. Okay, that's it. That's simple. Okay, so sorry, the video is a bit longer. So for the settings, you can see, sorry, I didn't show you guys that. You need to bring in, let me delete it. Once you come, you click on this this cross icon there. Okay, you're bringing in RSI, relative strength index. You can see the period is 16. Apply to typical price. Levels here, we have level 90, we have 10, we have 20, we have 80. We have 80, and you click on done. And the color is red. Okay, use red color. Okay, you click on done. Then you click and go back again. On the indicator window 1, you click that plus sign there to bring in what indicator you're bringing in this time. Sorry. Yeah, you're bringing in MACD. Okay, you're bringing in your MACD. MACD, the fast EMA is 10. We have the slow EMA 26. MACD SMA 12 applied to median price levels. You have the style here. On the style you have blue. The first one is white so that it won't be shown, and the second one is blue. All right, you click on done. Signal is blue, you click on done. That's it. That's simple. A very simple strategy, guys. Simple strategy. Now, once you want to buy, when you're buying, when you're selling, for crash, you need to wait for market to get to the overbought level, like what happened here. You can see what happened here. There was a spike, though that spike wasn't really long enough, but then there was a spike right there, and there was a spike here after the market touched the overbought level, which is the 80, in between 80 and 90. So once it touches 80 or 90 level, you're selling. All right, you're selling for crash. It will spike and you make your money. Okay, you make your money. All right, wherever it touches, you're making your money. You're making your money. You're making your money. It spikes, you make your money. Once it gives you one spike, you're out. You make your money and you're out, guys. This is not a joke. Spike, you make your money and you're out. So just need to wait patiently for these indicators to move from the downside here for crash, move from down to this overbought zone, which is in between 80 and 90. Once it touches 80 or crosses 80 a bit, you're selling from there. All right, and it's gonna spike, and the same thing here, you sell and it will spike, and once it gives you one spike, you're out. One spike is enough, you're out. Okay, just one spike, you don't have to stay longer in the market, and you're out. You make your money and you leave the market. Okay, yeah. So I know a lot of people start asking me, what's the zoom level? What's the zoom level? The zoom level for this strategy is just zoom level. Zoom level. This is 1 and this is 2. So you can use this 2. If you think the 2 is too tiny, you can still use 3. It's still the same thing. right? You can see use 3 still the same thing, but I'm leaving at 2, the first and the second. So the second zoom level is what you are using. All right, so just centralize your screen like this and you get the best result. All right, so I told you guys I will show you guys why or what happened to me some days ago. So I was trying to buy B1000. So I saw B1000 selling for a very long time, and I decided to bring in this strategy I was working on. So the strategy was giving me money, so I decided to use this strategy that night. It's not as if this strategy does not work, but you won't believe what happened. So B1000 decided to sell. I opened the first position. After it has gone so far, I opened the first position, one lot size, hoping it's gonna spike because it has gone far. I was hoping to spike and give me like $30 or 20 something to $30 depending. It did not spike. Then I was still hoping it's gonna spike. It did not spike. So when it went to a certain level, I had to open another position, another one lot size. It did not spike, and I was like, wow, okay, it has taken so much from me. Let me just wait for it to spike, at least once so that I can take my profits. Trust me, dude did not spike. This guy did not spike. It was still going down. So I now reduced my lot size from one lot size to 0.5. So 0.5, when I put 0.5, that is 2.5 lot size. It did not spike. Then after a while, I checked for a certain level. I opened another 0.5. It did not spike. Wow. So you won't believe B1000 actually dropped for over 2 hours, 3 hours, more than 3 hours. Like I was like, what is going on? What are these people? Because I've never seen. I've been into trading since 2017. All right, since 2017, at least since I started trading boom and crash, it's over 3 years now. Okay, 3 years is over 3 years now. I've never seen boom or crash, right, dropping or going for over 3 hours, more than 3 hours without a single spike. I just wish I could see that place, but I'm not sure I'll be able to see that place. More than 3 hours, 3 hours and 40 minutes without a single spike. Wow. That took so much. When it's going down, you feel you're hoping it's gonna spike at least to reduce your loss. Nah. It didn't spike at all. It did not spike at all. So I had to close out on my own. After closing out, after like 5-6 minutes, there was a massive spike and went back to my entry and poof above my entry. So, so now why am I bringing that up? I'm trying to let you guys understand something. The mistake I made was not closing out immediately, right? Not closing out when I was seeing that sign, all right? When I was seeing the sign, I did not close out. When it was going down, I would just decide to, okay, I'm risking $20 or I'm risking $30 depending on my equity, right? My capital. This is what I'm risking. I'm risking just $30 from my entry to that level. If it doesn't spike, then I'm out. Whenever it spikes, then I can look for a better entry, right? But I did not really focus on that. I think I was having a class then. I was teaching my people, so I was just doing the stuff by the side, and I wasn't really concentrating. So I had to open. When I now checked, I was hoping it had spiked, so I forgot for a while. So when I checked, it didn't spike. I was like, wow, okay, it has gone far already. It has taken so much from me. Let me open more positions. So I didn't mean, I was like, okay, this is how much I'm willing to give in case it doesn't go my way. It doesn't give as planned. Okay, it doesn't go as planned. If it does not spike, I'm losing just $30, $40, or $50 depending, then I'll close out. But no, I didn't have that plan. I was just hoping it would spike and reduce my loss, or it would spike back to my entry, and it did not spike till the loss was too much that I didn't want to lose so much. But you know what? Till I closed out, there was no single spike, and I lost so much money that day. I lost so much money that day. So what I'm saying here is that when you want to buy or want to catch spike, this stuff can be crazy sometimes. You just need to know how much you're risking for that trade, that position you're opening. How much are you willing to give out, right? Because you can never be 100% certain, no matter how good your strategy is. It will disappoint you sometimes. So when you know that, okay, I'm risking $20. Once it doesn't give you 20, or it gets to $20 without a single spike, jump out already. Just leave it, let it go. Even if you close now and it spikes, that's fine. You had a plan and you traded your plan. There's no bad thing there. But when you're expecting it's gonna spike and you keep expecting, you're gambling. That's a gamble. That's gamble. Like, honestly, you don't know what you're doing. So just like what happened to me. So I would like you guys to learn from my own mistake. All right, I made a very terrible mistake that took so much money from my account. All right, so that's it. That's the strategy I wanted to show you guys. I'll also show you how to use it on the crash, on the bull markets, because I don't want to complicate things for you guys. I'll show you how to use it on the bull market. All right, so like I said, accounts management is available. We run accounts management from $200 above. Just bring it for us. We trade and we share profit. Signals, VIP signals is available. High probability setup over signals over 3 to 5 signals daily. High probability only with over 95% accuracy. All right, join the platform. The academy is open, like I said, next month. On the 3rd of next month we start our classes, so don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out. Make sure you join. Just $60. Lifetime VIP signals is also included. In just $60 you can get both mentorship and signals. All right, so check the description to chat me up directly, or you join the free Telegram channel and you see my link to talk to me. All right, so let's make money. Let's have this skill. It's very important. I love you guys. Bye bye.